Imagine standing in front of your luxury car, running your hand across those foggy, dull headlights that make even a premium vehicle look old. Now picture this, in just a few minutes, right at home, without spending thousands at a detailing shop. Those same headlights shining crystal clear like a brand new car fresh from the showroom? That transformation is exactly what we're doing today. Most people think restoring headlights is complicated or requires special machines, but trust me, by the time you finish watching this video, you'll know a simple, affordable method that works on any luxury car, whether it's a Mercedes, BMW, Audi, Lexus, or Range Rover. And the best part, you already have most of the items at home. So stay with me, because you're about to see one of the most satisfying transformations a car lover can experience. Before we jump into the steps, let me quickly tell you what we're doing today and why it matters. Foggy headlights don't just look bad, they reduce nighttime visibility, make your car appear older, and can even affect safety. But fixing them is surprisingly easy. In this video, I'll walk you through everything from preparation to polishing, using basic things like toothpaste, microfiber cloths, masking tape, and an optional UV spray to keep your headlights clear for months. I'll also show you real before and after results, so you can see exactly how powerful this method is. Whether you're preparing your car for resale, upgrading your vehicle's appearance, or simply want that premium clean look, you're in the right place. Let's get started and bring your headlights back to life. Why headlights become foggy? Luxury car headlights become foggy mainly due to oxidation, which happens when ultraviolet rays from the sun break down the outer plastic layer. Over time, this creates a cloudy, yellowish layer that makes even a premium car look aged. Dirt, chemicals from the road, and constant exposure to rain and heat add to the damage, leaving the lens dull and hazy. Luxury cars often show this issue more clearly because their lenses are made with high-clarity materials that highlight imperfections. The good news is that this problem is reversible. With simple home techniques, you can remove the oxidation and restore a crystal-clear finish. Materials you will need to clean your luxury car headlights at home. You only need a few inexpensive materials. Grab 2 or 3 microfiber cloths to avoid scratching the lens. You'll need toothpaste or a headlight restoration gel. Both work as mild abrasives that remove oxidation. Masking tape is important to protect the paint around the headlight. Keep a water spray bottle nearby for rinsing during the cleaning process. If your headlights are heavily damaged, get fine sandpaper between 1,000 and 3,000 grit for optional deeper cleaning. Finally, a UV protectant spray helps keep your headlights clear for months by preventing future oxidation. Prepare the headlight area. Start by cleaning the outside of the headlight with a dry microfiber cloth to remove loose dust and debris. This prevents scratching during the cleaning process. Next, take your masking tape and carefully apply it around the entire border of the headlight. Luxury cars often have sensitive paint surfaces, so this step is essential to avoid accidental damage. Make sure the tape sits tightly and covers at least half an inch around the edges. Once everything is protected, lightly spray water on the headlight and wipe again. Preparing the surface properly ensures that the cleaning process becomes smoother and more effective. Apply toothpaste, restoration gel. Now apply a generous amount of toothpaste or restoration gel directly onto the headlight lens. Spread it evenly using a microfiber cloth, then begin scrubbing in small circular motions. Apply firm but controlled pressure enough to break down the oxidation but not damage the surface. As you work, you'll notice the paste turning slightly cloudy, which means it's picking up dirt and oxidized plastic. Continue polishing for 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, spray water on the lens and wipe away the paste. Even after this first cleaning round, you'll see a visible improvement in clarity and shine compared to before. Deep cleaning optional sanding method. If your headlights still look cloudy or you want a more professional finish, the sanding method is your best option. Use wet sandpaper between 1,000 and 3,000 grit. Start with the lowest grit only if the damage is severe. Otherwise, go straight to 2,000. Dip the sandpaper in water and gently sand the headlight in straight horizontal motions. Keep the surface wet at all times to avoid scratching. After 30 to 40 seconds, switch to vertical motions for even sanding. This method removes deeper oxidation layers and restores a smooth surface. Once done, rinse thoroughly and dry with a clean cloth, rinse and polish. After sanding or scrubbing, your headlight surface needs a proper rinse. Spray water generously and wipe the lens clean with a fresh microfiber cloth. Now, apply a small amount of polishing compound or more toothpaste, and use a second cloth to polish the surface. This step brings back shine and smoothness. Work in circular motions again, gradually increasing speed and pressure. If you have a small polishing machine, this is where it works best, creating a glossy, refined finish. Continue polishing until the lens looks clear and smooth. Rinse one final time and dry completely before applying any protective coating. Apply UV protection. This step is extremely important, especially for luxury vehicles. Once your headlights are clean and shiny, spray a thin layer of UV protectant evenly across the surface. UV protectant prevents future oxidation caused by sunlight and helps maintain clarity for longer periods. Use a microfiber cloth to spread and smooth the coating, ensuring it covers the entire lens. This protective layer acts like sunscreen for your headlights, keeping them from turning yellow again. Without UV protection, your hard work may only last a few weeks. With it, your headlights can stay crystal clear for several months or even longer. Show before-after comparison. Now that the cleaning process is complete, it's time to show viewers the transformation. Display a clear side-by-side comparison of the headlights before and after the restoration. Highlight how dull, scratched, and yellow the headlights looked earlier, versus the bright, clear, and glossy finish now. Move the camera slowly to capture the reflection and shine. Show the car with the headlights turned on, demonstrating the improved brightness and visibility. If possible, record a short clip at night to emphasize how much clearer the road looks. This visual proof assures viewers that the method is easy, effective, and truly worth trying. After seeing the final results, it's clear that restoring your luxury car headlights at home is not only simple but incredibly satisfying. With just a few inexpensive materials and a little patience, you can bring back that brand new shine and dramatically improve nighttime visibility. Let's quickly recap: repair the area, scrub or sand depending on the damage, polish the lens, and always finish with UV protection to keep the clarity lasting for months. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and share your results in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy car care tips and luxury vehicle upgrades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.